going to test this homemade de-icer solution. You could easily do this. You just need to mix 2 parts of rubbing alcohol to 1 part water. So essentially, just water down your 70% rubbing alcohol. Okay.
0 degrees out, folks. Let's do this. Look at how cold that is. Negative 29 out with the snow on here. Oh boy. About 3.5 inches right there.
So, first, brush off as much snow as possible. And if you want, you can scrape some of the ice off as well. This is on here pretty well though. I made a separate video of testing a name brand de-icer solution, but I want to see how this homemade de-icer solution works out. So spray as much as possible on the glass. I'll wait like 30 seconds or so. Let's brush it off again and see how well it is. So, not as good as a store-bought de-icer, but it does do the job okay. Honestly, for $1 or $2 more, I would probably just buy a real De-icer product. I'll put some in the description. And you can watch the other video review of me using the red hot De-icer, which worked a little bit better and faster. But let me know what you think about this video in the comments, or how your results were if using a homemade De-icer solution. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Now here's some quick outtakes.
Homemade solution, half alcohol, half water. Let's see how this works out. Wow, already froze quickly. That's crazy. Alright, let's try that again. Smell the alcohol.